gently close your eyes. Place one hand over your heart and the other on your belly. Feel the natural rise and fall of your breath. Allow your attention to drift inward, settling into your body and connect to your breath. You have permission to simply be here now. This is a new beginning. Yesterday has been and gone. It no longer exists. You are beginning today with possibility, cleansed and refreshed. Take a slow cleansing inhale, drawing in the oxygen. And on the exhale, let go of any heaviness from yesterday and any pressure about tomorrow. You are present. You are alive. The present moment is all we have. Notice a small, warm, golden light glowing at your center. This is your inner center of dazzling jewels, your inner power. With each inhale, watch it grow brighter and wider, filling all of your cells in your body and the space around you. This light carries clarity, courage, and gentle kindness. Ask quietly, how does my best self show up today? See yourself moving through the morning with ease and openness. Picture interactions guided by calm, confidence, and warmth. Feel your posture relaxed, yet alert, your mind clear, your heart open. Breathe this version of you into every cell, returning to the steady truth of who you are. Take one deep, nourishing breath. And when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this golden calm and readiness into your day. You are centered, capable, and prepared. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, Namaste.